FireFit Alexandria was one of the most exciting projects to work on. In the boxing studio at FireFit, we put custom-made halo lights above each bag. These are addressable and controllable by an iPad. We also finished off the room with 2 LED recessed strips around the room to create a boxing ring effect. Also, we got a custom-made strike logo put on the wall to really make the wall pop and let people know that they're in the Strike studio. One of the important features of the audio here at FireFit is that the room needed to be acoustically transparent. We also needed to make sure that the audio was clear, precise, and could be heard by all the members in the class. It's really important to make sure that both the instructor and music can be heard at a clear level.
So our sound within the studio, it's pretty much like stepping into a nightclub, but you get to exercise as well. So it just brings your vibes up as well. If you're having a bad day and you pop into our studio, you might even just end up dancing instead of working out because you're going to feel great after it.
I love a dance floor and I love going out, and so it's a good way to start the day for me. It puts me in the mood and gets me lots of energy.
The sound quality during our classes is amazing. Even if I have the music blaring up, everyone can still hear me loud and clear.
So the transmission with our voice here coming through our speakers is very clear. You know, I can really get into the last 10 seconds of the workout and I can be screaming my lungs out and everyone can hear me clear. It's not interfering with our music. There's no echoing in the studio as well.
You know, it's something completely different to what I was used to. It's very unique and definitely the music pumps you up.
The feedback that we're getting from our members is amazing. They love the sound. It really gets them going for the rest of the day.
Designing the lighting systems for FireFit Alexandria was really exciting. The control system for the boxing studio is very easy to use. The ability for the instructor to change lighting shows with one push of a button was really important. It allows the instructor to create different light shows for the different classes.
Like the lighting controls are amazing because they're all just on one screen. During my session, I can just automate it to play a music show if I want to, so I'm not focusing on the lights. I can focus on my actual workout.
Our controls are definitely very easy to use once you figure it out. It's programmed really well. From a beginner like myself who had no experience in all this, I found it pretty easy to follow.
They've really gave us the freedom to put together some concepts to really separate the two different rooms. At FireFit, they've got a boxing studio and a HIIT studio. So we created some custom-made halo lighting to go above the boxing bags.
It's a very unique gym. I've never been to a gym where there's so many lights and different colors, and you know, it definitely gives you that sense of that you really need to work out hard.
So with our lighting, it's pretty much a light show. It's like you've never seen something like this before while you're exercising. We try and take you to another zone where you could zone out from your worries and try and really implement your training, and the lights just bring your mood up as well.
We came up with some concepts that not only sorted out their solutions, but gave them an advancement of where they were at the time. One of the difficulties we had in this space is that there's 2 studios back to back to each other. We need to make sure that the sound didn't bleed from studio to studio and interrupt the class next door. By mounting the speakers in specific directions and using high quality speakers, we were able to achieve this. Not only could we get a nightclub sound inside each studio, they weren't bleeding to each other.
So like, it's exactly my vibe. Like, I love a nightclub, and so it just, gives me energy to work hard and push hard and get the most out of the class that I can.
It's like being in a nightclub but working out at the same time.
So all the audio in the building, both through reception, corridor, bathrooms and the dual studios, can all be controlled off one iPad. This allows anyone at any time to control the speaker system as needed. We wanted to create a nightclub atmosphere sound. We needed the music to be loud, clear and precise. We also needed the mic to cut through that and be audible for all the members in the class.
With our fitness mics that we use, they're so handy that they're Bluetooth, they're connected, like there's no devices that you're carrying around. In the past, working in a few different studios, I've gone to show a burpee and my mic's just gone all over the place and jumped out. These fit really good on your head and they're cordless as well, which is great.
The microphone's amazing. It's super comfortable. There's no cords that I have to play around with. It stays tight on my head when I'm explaining exercises.
The microphones we installed at FireFit have a transmitter built onto the back of the frame. This is really good for the instructors here, as they are not jumping around and sweating like a normal group fitness instructor. They are more instructor-led classes. So this keeps the wires away from them, and we can use an e-mic with a mini transmitter mounted on the back.
One word, extraordinary.